Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making microwave enchiladas. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. Here are the ingredients: enchilada sauce, shredded pork, chicken or beef, kernel corn, corn tortillas, cheese, canola spray, a baking dish, I'm using glass, and a can opener. Now we can get mixing. Step 1. Grab a bowl and pour in your shredded meat. Step 2. Pour the enchilada sauce into the bowl with the meat. Step 3. Stir. Step 4. Now pour in the kernel corn and stir again. Step 5. Grab a bundle of tortillas and set them in a clean, wet towel. Wrap them and put them in the microwave for 1 minute. This makes the tortillas softer. Step 6. Now get your canola spray and your baking dish and spray the canola spray in the pan. Step 7. Pour some more of your enchilada sauce onto the dish. We ended up needing 2 cans of enchilada sauce. And make sure to spread it with a spoon. Step 8. Now pour whatever amount of cheese you want over the top of the enchilada sauce. We have some allergies in the family, so we put cheese on only 1/2. Step 9. Soon after, grab your tortillas that were in the microwave and set them on the counter. Now grab a plate and pour more enchilada sauce on it and unwrap the towel with the tortillas in it, and grab one. Once you have your tortilla, put a spoonful of your mixture of corn, meat, and enchilada sauce and put it in the tortilla and wrap the tortilla. And repeat it until all the space in your baking dish is filled. Step 10. After you've repeated that process, pour a little more of the enchilada sauce on top of the enchiladas. Add some cheese on top and put it in the microwave for 7 minutes. Step 11. Make sure to serve. You also need to make sure to clean up your mess. Love you guys so much. If you watched until now, comment down below a hamburger emoji. See you guys next time on Living the Dream. This is a picture of the finished product with some of the side dishes you could also have. Bye guys!